No, that's not, sir. We have to be mindful of other cases also. इसमें लिखिए, it is now past 2 p.m. Mr. Learned, Mr. Faisal Siddiqui continues with his submissions and assures us that he will conclude within if he is granted 1 more hour. Full stop. Come up on Monday, 24th June 2024 at 9:30 a.m.
Sir, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
अब हम ऑफिस को इंस्ट्रक्ट कर देंगे, unless there's already some date by court or something like that, that ये 2 दिन केसेस ना लगाएं.
And if I may say so, for the full court, advance Eid Mubarak to
Eid Mubarak to all lordships.
To you, my lords.
Eid Mubarak, sir.
If you could also file what you want to file in advance, so that we have the benefit of it before.
अगर आप Mr. Raja, if you want to file legal submissions, we can read them also.
He's looking very depressed.
You can. That will save time also.
Mr. Salman Raja, please cheer up. Eid is coming up.
He's personally aggrieved.
Mr. Makhdoom Ali Khan, are you in this case?
There are serious issues here.
Mr. Makhdoom Ali Khan, are you in this case?
My lord,
We will hear you.
Who are you representing?
My lord, I am representing respondent number 17 onwards, the women who have been
Affected.
Affected.
So, एक आप में और political parties भी कुछ articulate करेंगी. If you want to articulate something, please, for your sake and for our benefit, it will save time also.
We'll try to keep, they will try to keep structured. I think both sides, I am 27 days, so I think they should, what Justice Shah has proposed, I think we should be very economical with our time, knowing that the case has to be...
Now you've got some period to articulate your thoughts and put them concisely.
It's a great occasion to fix timing, which Supreme Court of US does and other countries do. We could just have half an hour or so.
I would reiterate, you have to think about it. We'll do as we'll go by what you tell us.
Chale, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Very grateful. Very grateful.
और सुप्रीम कोर्ट में सुन्नी इत्तेहाद काउंसिल की मखसूस नशिस्तों से मुताल्लिक केस की समाअत 24 जून तक मुलतवी हो गई है। केस की समाअत 24 जून सुबह 9:30 बजे होगी। चीफ जस्टिस काजी फाइज ईसा की जानिब से कहा गया 24 जून से रोज़ाना की बुनियाद पर यह केस सुनेंगे। उन्होंने कहा कि 24 जून वाले हफ्ते में और कोई केस नहीं रखेंगे। चीफ जस्टिस काजी फाइज ईसा की सरबराही में बेंच समाअत कर रहा था सुन्नी इत्तेहाद काउंसिल की मखसूस नशिस्तों पर, और इस मुताल्लिक अब केस की समाअत 24 जून तक मुलतवी हो गई है। सुबह 9:30 बजे पीर को समाअत होगी 24 जून को। उन्होंने कहा, चीफ जस्टिस काजी फाइज ईसा की जानिब से कहा गया 24 जून से रोज़ाना की बुनियाद पर यह केस सुनेंगे। 24 जून वाले हफ्ते में और कोई केस नहीं रखा जाएगा।